Good morning, student. Let's start a new concept, that is area. We completed with the perimeter. I hope everyone has understood what is perimeter. So let's understand the term area. What is area? The area means the space enclosed by a plane figure. Okay, जो इसके अंदर की स्पेस है, दिस इज योर पेरीमीटर, सॉरी एरिया. पेरीमीटर क्या था? बार की बाउंड्री, एंड एरिया इज ये द स्पेस दैट इज एनक्लोज्ड बाय इट. ओके, नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू सी देयर इज अ फार्म, ओके, एंड दे वांट टू पुट, उन्होंने आर्टिफिशियल ग्रास है ना, उसकी शीट लगानी है ना. हाउ मच दैट शीट विल बी नीडेड, कितनी ग्रास की शीट उनको चाहिए, उसके लिए उनको क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? एरिया, बिकॉज उन्होंने अंदर लगाना है. अगर आपके घर में फ्लोर के ऊपर टाइल्स लग रही है, सो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट? एरिया और पेरीमीटर? ऑब्वियसली एरिया, बिकॉज आपके फ्लोर के अंदर लग रही है. ओके, नथिंग ऑन दी बाउंड्री. अगर आपको अपने रूम्स के अंदर कारपेट लगाना है, ओके, सो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट? एरिया. Okay, so what is area? The space that is enclosed by a figure. Now if I give you these are two shapes. Okay, now tell me the area of which shape is bigger, A or B? Obviously B, because it is bigger. जितनी बड़ी shape उतनी ही ज़्यादा अंदर की space होगी. Got it? Bigger the shape, more will be the space that is enclosed by the shape. So the area of B is more. Now what is the unit of it? The unit of area is square unit. For example, when you find out the perimeter, you write down 6 centimeter, but when you're finding out the area, you are going to write down the square unit. Okay, it is square centimeter. If it is meter, you're going to put this small 2. If it is kilometer, you are going to put this. Got it? Now let's start with our exercise. The first question, find the area of the following. You need to find out an area of each square is equal to 1 centimeter. अगर हर स्क्वायर का जो एरिया है वो 1 है, ओके, इस स्क्वायर का भी एरिया 1 है, इसका भी 1 है, इसका भी 1 है, इसका भी 1 है, तो कितना एरिया हो गया इसका? इट विल बी 4 एंड unit is centimeter, so it will be 4 centimeter square. Similarly, count the number of squares and the numbers. If they are 10, so the area will be 10, because they have already written that each square has an area of 1 centimeter square. Got it? This is very easy. Let's start with question number 2. Find the area of a rectangle. Okay, so the question is, second question of exercise 3 is find the area of the rectangle. Length is given 5 meter, breadth is equal to 2 meter. So the area of rectangle, what is the formula for it? Very simple, length multiplied by breadth. You can write complete, you can write the initial letters also. Length multiplied by breadth. What is the length? 5. What is breadth? 2. So 5 2s are 10 meter square. So answer, area is equal to 10 meter square. Got it? So the B part, length is equal to 30 centimeter, breadth is equal to 12 centimeter. You will do this one yourself. C part again, 45 meter and breadth 18 meter. So B and C part, you are going to do it yourself. B and C part, you will do it yourself. Got it? Do it yourself. We'll start with the third question, question number 3. Okay. So there are 4 questions. I'm going to solve only one. Find the area of the square. What is the formula for finding the area of the square? Is side multiply by side. I'll solve the B part. Area of square is equal to side multiply by side. So that means 20 multiply by 20. Now if you don't know how to do it mentally, you can do it in the rough column. 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are there, so centimeter square. So what is the answer? Got it? So the rest 3, please do it yourself. It is very easy. Okay, the sides are there. Directly write down the area of square and the formula, which is must. And I know you people want to solve it yourself because it is very easy. Multiply. If you don't know what is 17s, multiply here in the rough column. Okay, and find out the answer. So yeah, with this we'll continue in the next video the other questions of this exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.